5 a.m. and the weather is bad today, so we thought we're gonna leave to Italy. It's not because of the weather, but we actually planned that. We're currently out here waiting for the bus to start off our next adventure. We haven't received our ticket yet. We're here anyway, and we're just gonna try our best. And we're here to be exact. Welcome to Venice. Doesn't really look that beautiful here, but yeah, we arrived. I didn't really sleep in the bus, so I just probably need some coffee or Coke, like Coca-Cola. We're also gonna meet someone else here, and right now we're just standing in the middle of this bus station. We didn't go with one of these buses. We had something which looked like some private shuttle kind of thing, which was pretty awesome, by the way. Now I have to get rid of all of this somehow, and then we finally get exploring and getting some coffee and just having a good time here. And here we are. I would have almost said that this is real Venice, but it's not really that busy for a Saturday, so it's not even real Venice. I don't know. Have you ever been here? When I was there like 15... It's warm. When I was there like 15 years ago with my parents, I was there during carnival time, and man, there are like more painless methods of suicide than that. So get ready for a few more narrow alleys before we meet person number 4. Can relate, but I gotta admit, without Google Maps or something, I would just be totally lost. So Venice would be my personal hell if I lived there. Even right now, I'm just totally trusting my mates that they know where we have to go. Because, wow, no way I would ever find anything around here. There she is. Guess who's on the vlog?
It's me.
You're on the vlog.
I've never been in a vlog, and you're so close up to my face, it makes me anxious. How about my mascara? Is it good?
Absolutely.
Am I pretty enough?
It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Love it. Just tell these people who you are. Hello. And I don't know, who your inspiration is and why you're still hanging out with us.
You mean why I'm still hanging out with you even though you're all crazy?
Yes.
Because I'm not less crazy. Well, hi, I'm Julia. I am a friend. I hope so. Am I a friend? Yes.
Are you? I don't know.
I am a friend. We've been hanging out the first time 3 weeks ago? 5 weeks ago?
It's gotta be five, I think.
5 weeks ago.
It's been a while.
And ever since, it's the true photography love of Team Sony. There's nothing more fancy to say
Great
about
energy.
me, so.
Great energy. Love it. Where we finally get the creative juices to flow.
Literally.
How do you guys feel? Is the energy coming back?
Coming back. It's a really needed upper feeling it.
Feeling it, feeling it.
Feeling Italian already.
We're full, we're hyped, we're ready. It's time to go to the canal and see the fireworks because, man, we're gonna end these vlogs with fireworks. How awesome is that? That is, if we find the way, of course. Otherwise, we'll just get drunk and don't see the fireworks. That's fine for me as well. So they mainly do the fireworks for us, of course, because we're awesome, but also because of the victory over the plague. Hopefully also for the victory against fucking COVID. Pretty excited if we're gonna see something and how large it would be, because I have no idea. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Ready?